Questions 53 through 55 refer to the following conversation.
I connected with a factory in India that can manufacture our copiers affordably. The plant's owner has a strong relationship with a shipping company. He said he could get us a cost-effective rate to transport our goods to the United States.
Excellent. And did you explain that I'd want to come to India to inspect the facility in person prior to making a decision? I'll need to evaluate its quality control process, as I've done for our partners in Mexico and Thailand in the past.
I spoke with him about that via videoconference yesterday, and it won't be an issue. He said you're welcome to travel there at your convenience.
Okay, I'll have my assistant coordinate with him about dates.
Number 53. What is the factory owner able to do? Number 54. Where will the man most likely conduct an inspection? Number 55. What did the woman do yesterday?